Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, welcome. If you are a former subscriber, thank you so much for watching once again. For today's quick little tutorial, I'm going to be doing a tutorial on this look. This is kind of my like party go-to look. Well, not really, but I mean like I love to go dramatic to parties for whatever reason. For tonight, I'm going to two parties. One of them is a quinceañera. I consider her my cousin. She's not blood related to me, but we did grow up like hanging out all the time, and like she would always come to my birthday parties. I would always go to hers, you know, it's just all that whole family like I know and I love. And then the other party we're going to go to is a wedding. She's actually cousins, I believe, with my dad. You all know the Hispanic family, like huge amount of people, and you guys just don't end up knowing the relationships between like multiple people because it's so many people involved. But she's technically, I consider her my cousin as well. I literally, her and like her sisters, like I grew up like admiring them porque siempre estaban like bien arregladas, you know, and I was just like, oh my god, like they're so beautiful. Like one of them has a little cute little boy, and like she dresses him up so adorable. And I always tell my parents and like my mom and like my boyfriend, like one day like I'm gonna grow up to be them, like because siempre bien hermosas, and I'm just like, oh my god. But yeah, one of them is actually gonna get married, and so we're gonna go celebrate with her as well. So long story short, hope you guys enjoyed this quick little tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm literally like sweating. It's so hot in here. Look at these ojeras. Like, siento que like I haven't slept in like months. But anywho, I haven't been uploading on YouTube as much as I'd want to. Just because, okay, I really don't have a reason why. I find now that I started, well, I did like 2 IGTVs, and those are like easier. Oh my god, I have a moco. Those are like way easier for me than like sitting down and like recording like a whole like 10-15 minute video, because IGTVs, the way I do them, I record them on my phone. By the way, using the Anastasia Dipbrow pomade in this shade dark brown. Oh yeah, I finally got my nails done. Anyway, where was it going with this? What was I talking about? Yeah, I find it way easier because IGTV recorded on my phone, they're only like, I don't know, a minute or less, like long clips. And then after that, I just edit it on iMovie on my phone. And I can like speed up like what I'm doing right away and like edit everything out. And it's so much easier for me than to sit here, record on my camera, and then transfer those videos to my laptop, and then wait till they download to iMovie, and then once they're there, like make sure everything's there, add music, cut stuff off. Like it's just so much. But I made a poll on my Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, make sure you do. My name is Sophia 2A's _ Serrano, SERRANO. I'm posting there. I post there a lot, like frequently, not like every day, but here and there I post makeup looks. I've done a couple 2 IGTVs, so make sure you follow me. But anyway, I made a poll on my Instagram story last night where I asked like my followers, mostly my family because those people that follow me, if they wanted to see IGTV tutorials, or if they wanted to see my tutorials on YouTube, and YouTube won. So I'm gonna try my hardest to upload more on YouTube. All right, so I obviously did my eyebrows off camera because I'm not trying to make this video super long. I want it to just focus only on the eyeshadow portion of my look, because I haven't really changed like my routine Since the last video I posted, I haven't really tried any new products, but I kind of want to do something different with my eyes that I hope you guys will like. And I did that little like intro of me talking and stuff because I thought it was necessary to explain myself. Other than that, I think we're gonna get started with the eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm actually going to be using multiple palettes. To start off, I'm going to use my Bretman by Colourpop lip palette, and I'll actually be using this yellow right over here, and I'll be taking that and concentrating on the top of my crease like this. Alright, so next I'm going to go in with 3503 palette by Morphe. I used this in one of my videos before, but I really haven't touched it since. It's not because I don't want to do my, or I didn't like the palette. It's more because like I really don't have time to do my makeup. But I'm gonna go in with this shade right here called Unstoppable. And for that color, I'm going to concentrate it above my crease like that. This palette is so pigmented. But I'm just going to concentrate it. It doesn't matter if I go under. I mean, I'm going to cover it anyway. So I'm just going to take a little bit and just start to blend that out there. In order to help reduce the amount of crease that I have on my eyelids, I actually use my finger to pull my eyelid so I can blend the color into all like the creases of my eyes. I just wanted to add like a quick little tip in here. The key to a look is always blending. You always have to blend. Sometimes just with like this color, like right now, it's okay for me. But if not, I'll take the same brush that I applied the yellow with. It looks kind of orange, but it's just stained. Anyway, I'll take that brush that I applied the yellow and I'll just go back in there and re-blend or blend even more just to make it all look like it's one beautiful sunset. Alright, so now that that's all blended out to my preference, I'm gonna go in, ooh, my nail. Anyway, I'm gonna go in with my James Charles by Morphe palette. And I'm going to go in with this dark purple right here. Just want to make sure you guys can see what I'm pointing at. This one right here. And the problem with that color right there is that it's not as pigmented as I would like it to be. And it's very, very chalky. I guess it's not that bad. It's like, has so much fallout. I might have to go in with something else. But I'm going to concentrate this color on my actual crease. Maybe if I tap it in there. Sometimes if you just tap a color in there, it'll be better. I think the key to this is going to be just tapping the color in there and then going again with the pink and just blending it out, because it's very, very harsh, and when I try to blend it out, the color goes away. So I'm going to go in with that pink again. Alright, so now I'm gonna cut my crease per usual using the Instant Age Rewind Maybelline concealer and my handy dandy little flat brush right here, starting from the inner corner to about like almost passing like half. Now I'm going to go in using one of my OG Morphe palettes. It's the 350S palette. It's literally a palette just full of shimmers. It's pretty beat up because it's one of the palettes that I first started using when I got into makeup. I'm going to go in with this shade right here. I unfortunately don't know the names of them because like I said, I've had this palette for years now. So I kind of just lost the top part of it, like the little plastic that has the names. But it's one of the palettes that kind of got me started doing my makeup like this. Alright, so now I'm gonna go in with my Daisy Marquez by BH Cosmetics palette. And I'm going to be going in with this color right here in black called Matter. I'm going to use this at the edges of my eyes just to give it a little bit more like darkness. I mean, because we are in fall and this is a very like spring, like summer kind of look. So I kind of want to darken it with a little bit of black. And I'm just going to go in back with that purple just so that it won't completely blend away. Oh, my chair is making all these noises. And I'll go back in with the shimmer to brighten it up. I might have to even go in with that pink. Alright, so before I actually start applying concealer, I take a clean, like this is the brush that I use for my powder. So I take this brush and I kind of just sweep the leftover eyeshadow that has fallen out from my eyes, because the more I have under my eyes, it'll mix with my concealer, and instead of looking like a skin color, it'll start looking like a color, like, if that makes sense. Like, so the concealer will mix, like let's say if I have blue eyeshadow, it'll mix and it won't look like skin color. It'll start to look like, I don't know, like a little blue, you know what I mean? Alright, so this is the final look. I kind of just tied my hair, like a little bit of portions of my hair. Like I sectioned it off like this, and then I like tied it in the back. And I kind of just left it straight. I'm not gonna lie, I went over it with the straightener because I did have, like, my hair is so long, there's like parts where it like kind of waved and I didn't like it. But this is the outfit for tonight. I'll show you guys a better view. Okay, I still don't have my heels on, but you know, and I just did laundry, so, but this is how it looks. Just a quick little, I didn't know what to do with my hair. It's so long. I don't want to like curl it anymore because it won't even like twist around my wand enough anymore. So I just left it straight like that. I'll probably end up adding like lipstick or like a little bit of color more on my lips, but as of right now I'm just gonna stay like this because I like to apply my lipstick when I'm in the car, like on my way like into the party or to the event or whatever, because I don't know, it's easier for me, and that's just like not a tradition, but like it's been a routine. But anyway, I hope you guys all enjoy this quick little tutorial on how I did my eyeshadow today. I'm gonna go party now, so wish me luck because hopefully I don't get too drunk, but hopefully I have so much fun. But don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, hit the post notification button, and also don't forget to comment. I would really love to enjoy, like I would really love to hear you guys' comments, if you like the video, if I should change something up, or just like any recommendations of anything you guys want me to review on, or any specific like videos you guys want me to do. I'm always open to listening to you guys to see what you guys would like to watch. So we'll see you guys next time. Hope you guys enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.